In this video, we will show you the things you can do if your Samsung Galaxy A33 keeps dropping phone calls. If your phone frequently drops calls, it can cost you your job or get you in trouble. That's why it's important that you fix the problem as soon as possible. So if you have a problem like this, the first thing you need to do is to check the signal of your device. If it's just a reception problem, then it's possible that you're in an area with poor coverage. Just take a look at the signal indicator to see if that's the case. However, if your phone has a decent signal reception, then try disabling all wireless services for a few seconds. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again to disable it back. This will force your phone to reconnect to the network. After that, try to see if your phone still drops calls, because if so, then what you need to do next is to refresh the memory of your device. You have to reboot your phone, as it can be just due to a minor system glitch, which can often be fixed by a reboot. To restart your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Tap the power icon to go to the power menu. Tap restart and then confirm you want to reboot your phone. Now wait until the reboot is finished, and once it becomes active, try making phone calls to see if they get dropped at some point. If the problem persists, then what you need to do is to reset the network services of your device. This will bring all the wireless communications back to their default values. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This procedure will often fix issues with wireless services. However, if the problem continues, then you should call your service provider, because the problem can be with your account or the network. If it's an account issue, then your provider can fix it for you. However, if it's a network problem, then you will be advised how long you have to wait before the good service is restored. We hope that this guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.